Hello folks, today I'm going to give you 5 top tips on working from home. There are times when you need to or when you get to work from home. So I have compiled this list and hope will be helpful for you. So the first one is get dressed and ready for work. Working from home should not feel different from working in office. So get up on time, maintain your schedule, get dressed up. Doing so will get you into a productive mindset and maintain focus and commitment toward work. Second is avoid distractions. Working from home can be distracting, like lazing around at home. Frequent breaks and 5-minute conversation with someone can last for around 30 minutes. You can easily get distracted with the noises in the kitchen or by kids. This can be a serious nuisance for others while you are in a meeting, audio or video call. So maintaining focus is absolutely important to make sure you are as efficient and productive as you are in office. It will also help if you set expectations of your family. For example, if you have an important meeting with your boss or your boss's boss, it's better to let your family know in advance so that you can make sure that there is no disturbance around that time. This is especially important if you have kids or you are living in a small space. Now, how to avoid these distractions? Let's see in tip number 3. So the tip number 3 is setting up your workspace. You might have heard about having a fancy office setup at home, like having a standing desk or having multiple monitors. And that definitely costs you upward of $1,000. Let me tell you, it doesn't matter whether you have a fancy setup or just your laptop. The main thing is to work without distractions, and you can easily do it by finding a corner in your bedroom or living room where you can work with minimal or no distractions at all. Fourth one is taking breaks. Working from home should be no different than working in office. And many of us have this guilty feeling while they try to overprove themselves and work really hard on the clock. That's a no-no. You need not do this. It's still a normal work day. It's just from a different location. You can take a break and have a cup of coffee, stretch yourself, and this will help you stay productive, re-energize yourself and make you feel better while you are on the clock. And the fifth point is get some video call. You can video call your co-workers, your colleagues, which will make you feel more sincere about your work. Like this is important, and this will also make communication more impactful, more meaningful. This can be interesting for you as well. It will not make you feel isolated. You are still part of the team, and all those good work principles, transparency, teamwork, seeking for help still apply. So I hope you will find these tips helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos.